The notion that vaccines are used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a conspiracy theory that has gained traction in certain circles. Proponents of this idea argue that vaccines are a tool of mass control, designed to manipulate and dominate the population, particularly Christians. They claim that the New World Order, a supposedly satanic organization, is using vaccines to impose its will on humanity, undermining traditional values and Christian principles. According to this narrative, vaccines contain hidden ingredients and microchips that can alter human behavior, making people more susceptible to mind control and manipulation. Some believe that vaccines are laced with toxins and heavy metals, which can cause a range of health problems from autism to cancer. They argue that the pharmaceutical industry, in cahoots with governments and other powerful entities, is using vaccines to depopulate the world, reduce fertility, and create cultural dependence on medication. Moreover, some Christians believe that vaccines are a form of demonic influence, aimed at undermining their faith and values. They argue that the use of vaccines is a form of idolatry, where people are putting their trust in science and medicine rather than God. They claim that the Bible warns against the use of vaccines, citing passages that speak against the use of sorcery and witchcraft. Some even believe that the COVID-19 vaccine is the mark of the beast, a symbol of allegiance to the Antichrist. However, there is no credible evidence to support these claims. Vaccines have been extensively tested and proven to be safe and effective in preventing the spread of diseases. The ingredients used in vaccines are carefully regulated and monitored by health authorities, and there is no evidence to suggest that they contain hidden toxins or microchips. The idea that vaccines are a form of mind control or demonic influence is unfounded and lacks any scientific basis. In addition, the vast majority of Christians do not share these views, and many Christian organizations and leaders have come out in support of vaccination. They recognize that vaccines are a gift from God, a tool that can be used to protect human life and promote public health. They argue that the use of vaccines is a form of stewardship, a way of caring for the body and promoting the well-being of others. It is also worth noting that the Satanic New World Order is a fictional concept, with no basis in reality. There is no evidence to suggest that such an organization exists, or that it is using vaccines as a tool of oppression. The idea of a secret, satanic cabal controlling world events is a trope of conspiracy theories, with no foundation in fact. In conclusion, the idea that vaccines are used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a baseless conspiracy theory with no scientific or biblical basis. Vaccines have been proven to be a safe and effective way of preventing the spread of diseases, and their use is supported by the vast majority of Christians and health experts. While there may be legitimate concerns about the safety and efficacy of certain vaccines, these concerns should be addressed through scientific inquiry and critical thinking, rather than through the promotion of unfounded and misleading theories.